to another tutorial. In today's video, we want to learn how to find the square root of 1296 without using any calculator, all right? So the first thing you do is to find the prime factors of 1296 and then pair them in two equal places. So you draw a line, okay? So this is your line. Another one. So you write 1296, okay? So the first number they can divide is 2. So 2 divided 12 is 6. And 2 divided 9, we have 4, remainder 1. So you write the remainder close to 6, it becomes 16. And 2 divided 16 is 8. So 2 can still go again. 2 in 6 is 3, 2 in 4 is 2, and 2 in 8 is 4. And 2 can still go again. So 2 in 3 is 1. 2 and remember 1, put it close to the next, it becomes 12. And 2 and 12 is 6. Then 2 and 4 is 2. Then 2 can still go again. So 2 in 16 is 8, and 2 in 2 is 1. At this point, we have 81. And the only number that can divide 81 is 9. If you try 3, 3 in 8 will only give you 6 remainder 2, 3 remainder 2. Okay, 3 can go rather. So 3 in 8 is 3 divide 8, that is 3 times 2 is 6. So which is 2, remainder 2. And then put it close to the next, it becomes 21, and that is 27. So 3 can still go again, and that is 3, 27 is 9. And then 3 in 9 is 3, 3 in 3 is 1. So we have the prime factors as 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we pair this into two equal parts, okay? All right, so the first two, this 2 here, all right, you write it, which is 2, that's the first bracket, then the second bracket, okay, because of space. And this first 2 is here now, times, then this 2 and 2 here and here. The next is this 3 and 3 here and here. And lastly, this 3 and 3 here and here, okay? So you can use one of them. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 3 is 36. The same applies here. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 3 is 36. Therefore, the square root of 1296 is 36. So this is how to solve without using any calculator. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.